Welcome back to the channel, and I'm here today with a test between two guitars which might not seem like direct competitors and might not be, but because of their pickup configurations, I thought this was an interesting test. So this is the brand new Epiphone Joe Bonamassa Signature 1955 Les Paul with dual Epiphone Pro P90s, and this is a GNL ASAT Special Tribute with American-made jumbo magnetic field design pickups. These are both essentially big single coils. And this version of this guitar actually has a mahogany body like this one, which of course also has a maple top. So since these pickups are often, I don't want to say confused, but compared to one another, I thought we would give it a try and see what they do. So I'm going to be going through a Vox AC10, get some clean sounds, get some overdrive sounds with a full tone full drive 2, and then kick on the Proco Rat. So let's see what they can do. Okay, I thought that was a lot of fun. Definitely different sounding guitars. Definitely more oomph from the Les Paul, I thought, and more high-end and more bite from the ASAT. But of course, you heard them for yourselves. Make your own conclusions, and hopefully this was helpful for someone who was thinking about whether one of these guitars or styles of guitars might be able to cover for the other. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, keep on rocking.